All right, welcome to task 5. You've already written down these first two blanks, 1 and supplementary, because trapezoids' main property is the fact that they only have one pair of parallel sides. So AB and CD are parallel to each other. And their consecutive angles, those ones that are between the parallel lines, so like A and C, are supplementary. When I add them together, they equal 180 degrees. Now, there's a special case, though, that I want to talk about and specifically kind of draw on here. That special case is called an isosceles triangle. Those are when the non-parallel sides are congruent to each other. They are equal to each other. That's what these little dash marks mean. That means that the side AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. And when that happens, a lot of other properties also happen. The diagonals are congruent, so AD equals CB. The other important thing that we're going to use a lot today are that the base angles are congruent. This means that these two angles at the bottom, C and D, are equal to each other. Angle C is equal to angle D. It also means that the angles at the top, those are also called base angles. A and B are equal to each other. So we have these pairs of congruent and this pair of congruent. And the opposite angles are supplementary. I know that A and C are supplementary from my first spot up here. A and C are always going to be supplementary because they're consecutive, but also these opposite sides. C plus B is 180. And so we're going to end up doing a couple questions down here to kind of work out some supplementary and congruent angles in that next slide.